And the water is brown.
Oh my lord.
I'll say the cycle is like about a 6 out of 10.
Maybe for the average person. I mean, if you're fit, 3 or 4. If you're unfit, more than 6.
Yeah.
6 or more. Plenty slip and slide even if your shoes have grips. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So we are here in Balandra heading to
Balandra Waterfall.
Yeah guys, Balandra Waterfall and Basins. We came up Alcindor Trace as you would have seen in the video, and we just parked right here and we're gonna start the trail, which begins right there. Yeah. So we'll see you guys on the trail. Hope you guys enjoy this short waterfall. We heard that it might be wrong, but it's still beautiful, as they say. So
yeah, you'll see.
We'll see. Guys, this trail actually starts off very muddy because it rained yesterday. We only hope that we get some nice views at that waterfall. Hopefully some of that muddy water has cleared up. But so far, a muddy trail downhill. As you see, we entered right there at the top of Alcindor Trace. Yeah, use your hands a lot, eh? Guys, level mud. Whoa, just nearly slipped, guys. We're now reaching the river and we're going right, guys. River on the side and we're going right along this way here. Yeah, boy. Big log.
I'll say the cycle is like about a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, maybe for the average person. I mean, if you're fit, 3 or 4. If you're unfit, more than 6.
Yeah.
6 or more.
Also, there's a lot of up and down, the mud, you could fall.
Yeah, plenty slip and slide even if your shoes have grips.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So look out for that.
And be careful. The hike being a little challenging, 5 or 6, it is not that long. Maybe about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 depending, but it's not bad. I believe we have reached the downhill to the falls.
And the water is brown.
Oh my lord. That's alright, guys, you can't always get it perfect. Oh, you need to take your time here. So there's this bit of rope here to help you to get down to the falls. That's what the ropes are for, guys. Assist you on the descent.
Nice though.
Yeah. Pretty. Just brown. Oh my lord. Whew. Okay guys, so we came to the close of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe.
Click the bell to be notified for more videos in the future.
And we apologize for this wrong waterfall. We actually have an idea to come back and get it more pristine, but I mean, we still want to get a video out there to you, so you guys will see this.
I mean, we came this far.
Yeah.
It's in Toko.
Yeah guys, Balandra is not a stone throw away, but I mean, the drive was scenic and the waterfall, although it's brown, it is beautiful. So, and the water's pretty cold and refreshing. So, till next time,
Stay safe
and
stay adventurous.
We have a little bonus here before we head home. We finally stopped by this place here. Fine man on the corner. Take that. Buying some Jira pork and also some chicken pylori. Stuffed shrimp chicken. First time seeing stuffed pylori. So we take the Jira pork and we just take pylori with chicken. Fine man on the corner. Now we get the pylori. Chicken stuffed pylori. Oh yeah, hot boy. Thing piping.
Chicken pylori.
Yeah, chicken stuffed pylori.
Yeah, that's what you said?
Yeah?
Oh.
Guys, this year at this in a real good. Proper thing. Now we're getting into this Europe, okay. Tasting real good. You can't miss some guys right off the Toko main road on the corner when they're heading down Toko. Right on the corner, yeah. Yeah, right before Francis Trace, you'll find them right there.